Hello hackers, Matt aka Grit back. We're here and we're working now on the Linux tools section. So let's take a look. We got this first problem here, super cool file. So we have this super cool file. It thinks it's pretty cool, but we don't remember what it is. So we have to figure out what it is and rename it so that it includes what extension it is. And once we rename the file, we're going to run super cool file checker, and that should give us our flag if we did it correctly. So I'm in Labs Tools. I see super cool file, so I'm going to check out what it is with the file command. Okay, and it's an audio file. Contains MPEG layer 3, so I'm pretty sure that's an MP3 file. So let's rename it by moving it. Super cool file to supercoolfile.mp3. Cool. And now let's run super cool file checker. Cool. Pick your head off your desk and put your fingers on those digits. Great. All right, all your base. I guess they belong to us. So we found the following string of characters written down on a piece of paper. What does it mean, though? And one thing that I do notice is that it ends with an equal, and that's a big sign to me that this is base 64 encoded. So let's decode it. The way we can decode it is we're going to echo the string. I'm going to copy and paste this whole thing here. Copy. Okay, we're going to echo that into base 64-D to decode. And there we go. All your base belong to us. Go ahead and put that right in there. Okay. So now we're in ball of yarn. Found this ball of yarn. I'm not sure what to do with it. There's a picture of it. I don't really care about that picture right now. And yarn sounds synonyms include thread, cotton, wool. Wow, very, very helpful. And strings. Okay, I know about the strings command. If there's anything interesting in the metadata, there's a useful Linux tool that prints all the printable characters in a file to help us view this data. Cool, so that's the strings command they're telling us to use. I'm going to strings the ball of yarn. And what I want to do, though, is search for something from those strings. Like, if I just do strings, I get a lot, right? And we're smart. We don't need to clean through this to find what we want. So I'm going to do that. But then I'm going to grep fs. Cool. And it looks like it's there. Useful for so much more than knitting. So let's copy and paste that into ball of yarn. Okay. Tools. It's the best type of prism. What has 8 faces but cannot see? And this is another one of these decoding ones. We get this giant string here. But what do we see here? 8 faces but can't see. Okay, interesting. What does the character set look like? And XXD is our friend. So it's telling us how we're going to need to decode this. And that'll be similar to the other one we did. So I'm just going to grab it all, copy it, clear. And we're going to echo that string into XXD. Okay, well, that didn't seem to help. We're going to echo that string into XXD, and we need to undo it, so we're going to do reverse, but that didn't help. So what we actually need to do is add the -p flag to actually print out what we want. And there we go, a hexagonal prism. So that was the answer to the joke, what has 8 faces but cannot see? Wonderful joke, Archangel. Keep them coming. So here we go, paste our flag in, and we're on to the next one. So here we have flag compactor. Let's see what this is asking us to do. It says this compacted flag seems very interesting, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Whatever it is, it sure seems tightly packed. You can find this file on your Kali VM, and of course you could download it if you don't have it, or you deleted it, or you screwed it up. Oh, clear. So we have this compacted flag. Let's run file on it, see what type of file it is. And I see here it's a zip file. It's zipped. So let's unzip it. Unzip the compacted flag. Okay. All right, so now we have flag 4. Let's see what flag 4 is. Okay, it's rar data, so let's decompress that. We unrar it. Flag 4. Okay, it seems like I didn't do it right. Let's see, unrar command. Okay, so the command we want to run is E. Unrar E. We want to extract the file. Extract files with full path. Let's try unrar-e. Let's clear this terminal a bit. Unrar-e flag 4. Will that work? That's not what we wanted. Unrar-e flag 4. Will that do it? Okay, cool. Got flag 3. So let's clear, and we have flag 3. Let's see what file flag 3 is. It's a tar archive. I usually forget how to do it, but we can Google how to untar, how to untar POSIX tar archive. So we have that tar xvf. That's what I always remember. Tar xvf, the flag 3. Cool. Now we have flag 2. So let's see what kind of file flag 2 is. Okay, it's gzip, so I know you gunzip. Unzip flag 2. Unknown suffix ignored. Did I do it wrong? Seems like I did. Gunzip. Oh, let's see, man. Gunzip. Gzip. How do we unzip? Unzip. Is there a flag we gotta give it? Decompress -d. Okay. Gunzip -d flag 2. No, that didn't work. Gzip -d flag 2. That didn't work. So then we'll Google how to gunzip. We got some examples. Gzip -d compressed file name. All right. Gzip -d flag 2. Unknown suffix. What does that mean? Ignored. Gunzip -d flag 2. Gzip. Unknown suffix. What does that mean? Maybe I'm wrong. File flag 2. So it's gzip. What are we doing wrong? I thought we just gunzip it. Oh, it's because it needs. So let's try this. Let's move flag 2 to be flag2.gz and then gunzip flag 2. There we go. So it just needed that little extension for some reason. Cool. So now we have the compacted flag. Oh no, wait. We already had the compacted flag. So what is flag 2? File flag 2. Flag 2 is ASCII text. So it's cat flag 2. It must have just renamed it. Cool. So many archiving utilities. So let's copy that and paste it into our flag compactor. So many archiving utilities. Cool. And that's all of the Linux tools. I'll see you in the next video.